It's big bipple yip snip. I ain't trying to hurt.
Oh!
Squirt something so I ain't got jerk nothing on the jickle you.
I can't wait to hear what he got to say. This nigga about to say some shit that niggas not gonna know what he said, but it's gonna be they be cheating though. Like all you gotta do is here's the thing, so for sister thing, go to both don't build thing, big bickle thing, what about no builder thing, go about simple thing. Like I can make you would think that makes sense in my fucking language, but it's literally just jibber jabber. And it just rhymes. Watch this.
A little low too, goop. I know y'all gonna earn me up and gear me up. Jickle yangs on your fuckle jickle jang juice. Goom guy, fuckle tangs, I ain't going my smickle man you. Smickle man goop, tile to the trickle of you. Tile to the trickle of dang. Fuckle tangs on that my name. Fuckle bang, jickle yang hitting the name. Fuckle tang hitting the name. Wiggle tang, fuckle toots. Jickle yang knuckle use. I ain't going jickle you. Better watch him mickle you. For she get all these mickle man use. For she get all this fuckle man you. For she get all this jickle of you.
What the fuck is he saying?
Nigga, he didn't say shit. What is he saying?
Oh my God!
He didn't say shit.
Y'all fuckle seeds. I ain't trying to hurt nothing.
Wow.
I ain't trying to hurt nothing on the jickle you. Man, I already knew what was happening on the goose sack. And then my motherfucking confidence on the unac and then was all the way on goot. Because I came here with something to do on a fuckle you.
Right here. Am I going
What?
the correct way?